Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about NumPy. What is NumPy? NumPy means numerical Python. So we are going to discuss 1D array, 2D arrays, and how to create them, how to slice them, okay, how to join them, how to find the subsets among these arrays, and later on we'll perform the arithmetic operation on 2D arrays. After this module, we will go to the next module called statistical module. So in this, we will find the applications of statistics, covariation, correlation, and regression. So here, NumPy represents num numerical and pi represents Python. And it is a open source library. So the only one data structures it is working, and that data structure's name is arrays. So generally it is n-dimensional array. Okay, it is not a single dimensional array, it is ND array, that means nth dimensional array, but we generally refer it as ND array or array. So NumPy was developed by Travis Oliphant. So he's the person who contributed NumPy for us. Okay, so he's the author and he's the significant contributor of scientific Python also. So the applications of NumPy are mathematics. So in mathematics, you can go for limits, continuity, differentiation, or whatnot. You can do anything with a NumPy. So the majorly Matplotlib, Pandas, data science uses NumPy libraries. Okay. Then the only one data structures we are going to study, that is array. What is array? Array is a collection of objects and the object should be of same data type. That means, so array is a data structure which holds the raw data generally. Okay, and the condition is the elements should be of same data type. And in NumPy, data type is represented as D type. Okay, and the array is referred as ND array. Sometimes in your textbooks, or you can find anything like ND array. It is saying that it is an array. Okay, don't confuse. So we use three terms: array, vector, matrix, tensor. Okay, so we studied about array. Now let's go to vector. What is a vector? A vector is an array with single dimension. Okay, with single if a array consists of a single dimension, that means no difference of row and column, then such array is called vector. And matrix is an array with two dimensions. Okay, so it consists of row and columns, so you can differentiate what is row and what is column. That is what I mean, what I mean to say. Okay, so it has two dimensions. Then we will go with tensor is an array which has three-dimensional or more. So if an array consists of three dimensions or more, then it will be considered as tensor in NumPy. So these are very important words in NumPy to understand what is NumPy. And okay, so so I'm concluding this. Thank you for listening to me. So please.